Welcome back, and today we are tackling the most critical piece of your growth machine, transforming endless long-form videos into high-impact, viral-ready clips. Whether you are a solo founder or managing a marketing team, the way you chop up and schedule your content defines whether you get crickets or real momentum. I personally rely on Vizard to make this entire, often tedious process completely painless and predictable. The million-dollar question is how to make short clips that actually force people to stop scrolling, watch until the end, and click your call to action. I am going to walk you through 3 core principles that change the game, and I'll show you how I use Vizard to execute them. These strategies help me scale my reach without burying myself in hours of manual editing work. If you are new here, I share practical growth tactics every single week, so hit that subscribe button if you want to level up your content game. Let's start with principle number 1, which is to always lead with the action shot or the hook. A huge mistake I see constantly is creators wasting 2 minutes warming up to the point while their audience clicks away. You need to start immediately with the punchline, the demo moment, or that shocking statistic that makes someone stop dead in their tracks. Imagine you have a 45-minute webinar featuring a growth hack that tripled your conversions, but you only show the best 15 seconds. Vizard excels here because its auto-editing feature detects those high-energy moments like audio spikes and emotional peaks automatically. You stop scrubbing through hours of footage because the software identifies exactly what is likely to go viral based on proven structures. This respects the short-form attention span and converts casual scrollers into dedicated watchers immediately. Moving to principle number 2, you must show the core loop, which is the sequence that actually delivers value to the viewer. For creators, this is the pattern of identifying a problem, offering an insight, and delivering an actionable tip that works. After the hook, the next 30 seconds should demonstrate the how, making your content feel like a mini tutorial. Vizard stitches these moments together to create a narrative flow that feels natural rather than just random clips. This creates a tight loop that keeps your audience engaged and proves your authority on the subject. It outperforms simple trim tools because it understands the story arc, keeping quality high while saving your precious time. Finally, principle number 3 is the manager view, where you look at your strategy from a bird's-eye perspective. Content creation without a repeatable system is just guessing, so you need a dashboard to track what works and what to scale. Vizard's content calendar lets you drag and drop your clips to schedule them across all your social channels automatically. You can set up a consistent posting cadence like 3 reels a week on Instagram and 2 on TikTok without any scheduling drama. The analytics allow you to see which hooks convert to followers and which tutorials drive actual website traffic. Other platforms force you to use 3 different apps just to edit, export, and schedule, but Vizard bundles everything together seamlessly. Here is the exact workflow. Upload your long video, let the AI generate a batch of clips, and select the best ones for your calendar. Then you stitch those clips into tutorials, set your weekly cadence, and monitor the dashboard for performance insights. If you are a creator pumping out podcasts or webinars and you want to scale without a massive team, this is for you. However, if your work requires custom frame-by-frame professional animations, you might still need a dedicated editor for those specific pieces. Compared to manual trimmers or overly expensive studios, Vizard hits that sweet spot of smart automation and professional output. To wrap it up, hook them with an action shot, teach with a core loop, and manage your strategy from one central view. If you follow these steps, your content machine becomes predictable and you spend more time creating than fighting with software. If this breakdown helped you, please smash that like button, leave a comment with your biggest bottleneck, and share this with a teammate. Go give Vizard a try to turn those long recordings into a growth engine, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.